Welcome to our newest listing at 128 Azalea Drive.
Located in the sweetest place on earth, Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Most people come to Hershey for the chocolate.
But the real treat is right here. Come along with us as we show you the sweet features of this Hershey home.
This property offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, laundry on the upper level with all of the bedrooms, a 2-car garage, and many modern upgrades, including new flooring, new paint, appliances, and so much more.
Accent walls throughout add an added touch of elegance and charm. The private fenced backyard is perfect for kids, pets, and outdoor enjoyment.
We are the Neidlinger Olivia Henneman real estate team with Berkshire Hathaway.
Reach out today to schedule a showing of 128 Azalea Drive.